Prik Pao chili jam is obtained by crushing fried aromatics, small shrimps, and dry chilies. All the ingredients are fried together in a little of oil. This chili jam is used as an indispensable ingredient in many Thai recipes, stir-fries, salads, and soups, and especially in the famous soup, Tom Yum. Homemade Prik Pao can also be used as a condiment. Here are the ingredients. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak 15 grams of tamarind paste in 5 centiliters of boiling water. Cover to help soften. Mince 60 grams of shallots and 20 grams of garlic. Remove the seeds of the 15 grams of dry sweet chilies. Fry the ingredients separately because each needs a different time and temperature. Be very careful not to burn them. Fry very quickly the dry chilies over low heat, about 6 to 7 seconds. On a medium-low heat, put the garlic. As soon as it begins to brown, remove it. On medium heat, put the shallots. As soon as they begin to brown, remove them. Finally, fry the small dry shrimps over low heat for 15 seconds. Then start by pounding the chilies. Add the shrimp and a good pinch of salt. Finally, the shallots and the garlic. Knead the tamarind paste. Filter to keep the juice. Remove almost all the cooking oil from the pan. Keep about 3 tablespoons. Heat on low fire. Put in the crushed ingredients. Briefly stir. Add the tamarind juice. Briefly stir. Finally, add 10 grams of palm sugar. Briefly stir and cut the fire. This Prik Pao chili jam can be kept very well in a pot in the fridge for months. You can make a big quantity that will use for several recipes. In a dish containing the homemade Prik Pao jam, there are tasty small pieces of chilies, shrimps, and aromatics. It can make a very simple dish exceptional. This jam makes her travel instantly to Thailand.